Most people waste a lot of time trying random numbers or wrong pages when they need help fast. That is the biggest mistake you need to avoid when contacting Walmart support. Because the truth is, there are only a few reliable ways to reach real help from Walmart in 2026, and knowing the right one saves you hours. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to contact Walmart customer service quickly, which method works best for different problems, and how to avoid getting stuck in long wait times. Let's start with the fastest option. First, use the Walmart app or website live chat. This is usually the quickest way to get support. Open the app, go to Help, and tap Contact Us. You will be connected to a virtual assistant first, and then you can request a live agent. For simple issues like order tracking, refunds, or account problems, this is the best starting point. But here's the problem. Many people stop at the chatbot and think that is all they can do. That is not true. You can always request a real agent by typing, "Talk to a representative." Now here's where it gets interesting. If you are dealing with urgent issues like missing orders or payment problems, phone support is still very useful. You can call Walmart customer service directly through their official support number listed on the Walmart website. When you call, expect automated menus first. The trick is to clearly say the issue like order problem or refund request to get routed faster. Next option is email support. This is slower but useful for non-urgent problems like feedback or documentation issues. You will usually get a response within 24 to 48 hours. Now let's talk about in-store support. If your issue is related to a pickup order, return, or product issue, going directly to a local Walmart store can actually be the fastest solution. Staff there can process returns or fixes instantly without waiting for online support. Jake once had a delivery issue that was stuck for days, but the store team resolved it in 10 minutes when he visited in person. So do not ignore this option. Another important tip is using the order help section in your account. If your issue is related to a purchase, go to your order history, select the item, and choose Get Help with this order. This automatically connects you to the right support flow. So to wrap it up, you have 4 main ways to contact Walmart customer service. Live chat for fast help, phone support for complex issues, email for non-urgent cases, and in-store support for immediate resolution. The biggest mistake people make is not choosing the right method for the right problem. Once you do, everything becomes much faster and easier. If this helped, hit like, comment your experience with Walmart support, and subscribe for more simple guides like this. You will save time and avoid frustration the next time you need help.